Yes.
What's up, Jen? Yeah, bro.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Tweety-dee-dee. There they all standing in a goddamn tall building.
Instant hatred. Have you ever looked at someone and hated them?
Hitler.
Yeah.
It's what you like to call fine dining.
What?
Look at that. It's like a theater. It reminds me
You
of...
sound like George.
It's nice.
You sound like Bill Cosby.
It reminds me of that little eating area that the kids were eating in back in that movie Jurassic Park. Before the dinosaurs busted and started killing everybody and shit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Go back and look at it. It's pretty, it looks kind of insane.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Put my glasses on out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy.